Hello and welcome to the third videos of this B29 3D printed plane series. On this video we'll start to modeling the fuselage of the plane. So depending how long it's gonna take, I may split in two parts and upload it into separate videos, but we'll see. I'll try to do everything live, so mistakes and trial and error will be recorded as well. I don't want to mess about with editing the video too much, so let's see how it goes. Right, as you can see, the shape of the fuselage is not that bad. It's a circle, basically a cylinder. We just need to shape a little bit the bottom half and a little bit the nose, but it shouldn't be too difficult. From the top view, what we can see is that the fuselage here has a little bit of a bow shape. So what I want to try to do is to create a plane here, so I can start off to make the first cylinder just for this part here, and then I'm gonna pull either side bit by bit afterwards. So let's see if that works. So the first things I want to do is to create a construction plane of this one, and we're gonna pull it out. Zoom in a bit and I'm gonna position it roughly there. Press OK. To front view, just resize a little bit. It's not necessary to resize them, but it's make my life a little bit easier for me. So from here I normally do a sketch on the plane I have created, and I'm gonna draw a 2-point line circle, so to recreate the round shape of the plane. So I'm gonna hover the mouse over the origin, and then it's gonna snap, and then I'm gonna go up about there, click, and then just keep the vertical line snapped and go to the top of the fuselage there. So at this point we have created a sketch where I can start the form from. So I can finish the sketch. I can show the plane, and you click on create form, create a cylinder on this plane. Don't use this plane here, we use this plane there, and then we can snap nicely on the middle point there until it's snapped on the circle. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna look from the top, and we're gonna pull this one until the bow shape finish, so which is roughly there. Yep, and you press OK. Now what we need to do, we need just to shrink these two things together. So you double click on one line, then you right click and you click edit form, and then you can use these little handles there to start to pull your shape in. Then you do the same on the other, and then on this one as well. So it looks like this one is slightly thinner there, so we can also go down. So let's have a look. It seems pretty okay. Maybe this one here a little bit inside. Let's have a look. Yeah, I'll do right like that. So if you look from here, right, I think we can start from here now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna double click on the line so the whole circle is highlighted. Then you're gonna press the right click, edit form. Then you're gonna you need to press the Alt key on your keyboard, and then you grab one handle and just you pull out as far as you need. Oh, this canvas, it doesn't, they're not that nice. I think we need to do that way. I don't really like using this tool. Okay, let's see what comes up. Then again, you press the Alt and you pull it up a little bit more, and then you can just adjust here. So now we start to put a little bit less, and we start to shrink the nose, and we're gonna have a look at the front, which I have forgotten on the previous one. It's not much of a big deal because I can do a little bit now. Don't forget to press the Alt key on your keyboard every time you extrude a little bit. So in here we need to pull this one up a bit until we go, say, half and half either side, and then we can start to close it. And then we'll have a look from the side, and like that. It's okay. Now we need to probably do even slower. right here. Basically you need to do this action until you have created your shape. We won't be able to get to the tip of the fuselage here. We're just gonna end up there, and then we created this shape separately. So it looks okay like that. Yeah, that's fine. And then let's have a look. 65, 60. Yeah, go like that. I think we do the last push up to there. Should be able to, probably it's too much. I think it's too much of it's too much, so let's do a short do it again. We do half, and then we pull down. I think you can go 90 like that. Let's have a look if this one is needed a bit down, and then this side should be okay, going like that. Again, 60 maybe. Yeah. Okay. Once more, I think it will be the last one, this one. Hopefully. So get to there, and we're gonna do like this. Oh no, I shouldn't have done that. And then we pull down slightly there. That should be okay there. And then we look from the front, from the top. And we close it like that. And we press OK. So let's take the canvas off and see if we do like the shape we do see at the moment. It seems okay. Seems symmetric. So let's put the canvas back on. Oh, these were the two sketch I did there. Oh, let's leave it. I'm trying to use the history bar here, but in previous project I had to disable it because I couldn't do some sort of modification, so I'll try to keep it on. So now we basically do the same from the back. Press Alt, push it up, let's go up to there. Oopsie daisy. Let me go back. I think I have managed not to do it nicely. We actually maybe need to pull this one up. And press Alt. We can go up to the slightly up. Press OK. Alt. I think here I will start to. So if I pull 99, it goes a little bit away, and I'm gonna push that one up. Press OK. Edit. That is okay. Let's push this one up and then pull in like so. That should be okay. Again, I forgot to have a look at the side, so let's adjust this one. Yeah, we may need to do a little bit more here. And I'm fine. Right. Edit form. Press Alt. I can pull a little bit more here because now we are going to stretch that. That looks good. That looks good from this side. Let's have a look at the side. Can start to pull it in. 96, 95, 95. I like it. Once again, Alt, pull. Try to get like a half and half space bottom, and then you pull it up, look it straight. It looks good. And again here, like that. Edit, Alt. Let's try to do a big chunk here. I think we are good there. And we are good there. Press OK. Let's center a little bit more on the screen. Edit, Alt, pull. Pull up to here. And then in here we just try . to follow the bottom line and make sure this one is kind of straight. And we're closing that one. I think it's okay. Let's have a look if we can get up to there. So we're gonna shrink that, and then we're gonna push this one up. Maybe it's a little bit too much, so I need to I think like these we should be okay. And like that is fine. Edit form, Alt and pull. Let's try another big chunk up to here. Let's try this one. I think it looks fine. And here we just need to kind of guess where we're going. I would say there. We can maybe shrink this one a touch. Okay, then we can finish to adjust this once I got to here. Right, one more, hopefully the last one. I want to try to make it a big chunk here. Let's have a look at where maybe let me go back there, finish there. Actually, let me redo it a little bit more like that. Like that. So we're gonna shrink this one quite a bit, and then we're gonna push it up. Like so, and let's have a look at what it looks like from here. It's fine there. What I can do, I can insert edge and then press OK. We should be okay there. Let's have a look if we can make this one a bit wider. There. Let's make this one as well a little bit wider. I think as a shape I'm quite happy on that. Maybe 0.99 here. Yeah. Okay, let's take the canvas off. We like what we see. From the top seems okay. From the side seems okay. And then from the front also it seems okay. I think I'm happy with that. So put the canvas back on, and then from here we can see it looks like it's matching. From the top it seems to match nicely, and from the front it seems okay. So I will finish this one here, so I can finish the form. Actually, we finish the form and we have a body. We have a body we can see through. Cool. So we have done the fuselage. The next video we are going to start to put the airfoil for the wings. I can leave the nose and the back at the very end because I'm gonna create two different bodies for those two parts, so we can wait until the end. So thank you for watching and see you next time.